In today's video, I'm going to teach you how freelancers can use Asana to manage projects, tasks, and deadlines efficiently. We'll build a simple, reliable workflow you can reuse for every client. Start by opening Asana on your desktop and heading to your workspace. If you have more than one, make sure you're in the space where you keep your freelance work so everything stays in one place. Click the plus button for New Project and choose Blank Project. Give your project a clear, memorable name, like Freelance Work 2026, so you can find it quickly later. Next, pick your layout. List view works well if you like a straightforward checklist, while board view gives you a Kanban-style flow with columns. Either option supports the same details, so choose the one you'll actually use. To organize your workflow, add sections. Create stages such as To Do, In Progress, Waiting for Client Feedback, and Completed. These sections mirror the life cycle of your deliverables, and you can rename them anytime as your process evolves. Under each section, add tasks for each project or client deliverable. Keep task titles specific, like Website Homepage Mockup or Monthly Analytics Report, so you know exactly what needs to happen at a glance. Click any task to open its panel. Assign it to yourself so it appears in your My Tasks. Set a due date to lock in the deadline and work backward from it. Add subtasks to break the work into smaller steps or milestones such as drafting, revisions, and final delivery. This keeps progress visible and prevents important steps from slipping through the cracks. Use custom fields to track priority and status. For example, set status to Not Started, In Progress, or Completed, and set priority to High, Medium, or Low. Consistent field options make sorting and filtering much easier later. Attach reference files or paste links for briefs, client documents, and research. Keeping everything in the task saves you time hunting for materials when you're on a deadline. As you work, drag tasks between sections to reflect progress. This gives you a quick visual of what needs attention and what's finished. Finally, switch to Calendar View or open the dashboard to see upcoming due dates and overall workload. The calendar helps you balance your week, while the dashboard highlights trends and potential bottlenecks so you can adjust early. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.